Hello, wildlife lovers, and welcome back to episode 5 of Dhikala Wildlife series from Discover Wild Paws. As you must have seen in episode 4, we finished our morning safari at Dhikala, where we saw the elusive yellow throated marten. It's now time to go back to the campus for lunch before we begin our evening safari. We had our food and were waiting for the safari gates to open. And meanwhile, we saw this terrified monkey couple. The Dhikala campus is full of these monkeys and grey langurs. The reason is lots of food and safety from predators. When you come here, do not keep any food unattended. And most importantly, don't try to feed these animals. They are wild and we should let them remain wild. These monkeys were looking in the opposite direction to keep an eye on monkeys from other troops. It is not uncommon for monkeys to fight for dominance in the group. To attract the most fertile female, male monkeys take up fight with other dominant males. And sometimes, the results can be painful. The reason why watching and capturing monkeys is so interesting is because they behave a lot like humans. Their behavior is fun to watch, and you can spend hours just looking at them. These monkeys are also known as the eyes of the jungle, as it is them who see the tiger from a distance and alert the jungle of its presence. Anyway, so the gates opened and we began another safari. Afternoon safari in winters here is truly a blessing. The layers of clothing keep coming off one by one, and the sun slowly heats up your body. We reached the Sambar road again, hoping to find a tiger, and maybe some other animals too. Our safari guide used binoculars to look for any movement on the other side of the river. The crystal clear water is purer than the RO water we drink at homes. If the jeeps stop here and you just look at the water flowing, you can hear the melodious sounds of the jungle. And while we were observing the water, we saw a unique bird, lesser fish eagle. As the name suggests, this eagle mainly feeds on fish, and our guide told us that it looked like it was about to catch one. These eagles sit on stones and small broken trunks like this one and lock their target in the river. Then they take a flight and rush to the water to catch the fish, and this one did exactly the same. Their strong and large feet allows them to catch slippery fishes while flying. Within a blink of an eye, they splash their claws in the water and hunt down their prey. As the Sambar road looked comparatively silent today, we went towards the other side of the park. We thought of waiting where the other jeeps were. The forest department had sent their patrolling elephants earlier this afternoon, and they had seen grassland wali tigers with cubs near this area. News like this should not be ignored in the jungle. Simply driving around and burning fuel will not get you a good sighting. You have to understand the jungle and take every move carefully. And so, we decided to wait and observe the animals for a while. One more secret to enjoy the wilderness experience is to appreciate the beauty of all the animals. Just look at these spotted deer. Their skin coloring is so perfect, so unique. No wonder the tiger is attracted to them. Even though the tiger is much more powerful, yet only 1 out of 10 tiger hunts are successful. The reason is the slim, strong legs of deer. As soon as they sense danger, they run away like a flash, taking huge leaps. The tiger tires quickly and cannot chase for long. So the tiger must get within a striking distance of the deer, undetected, in order to be successful. When in a wildlife safari, you must keep your camera on during moments like these. There are dual benefits to this. One, you can relive the moments of your jungle safari, and second, if you are lucky, you might accidentally record a live hunt. Slowly, the sun started setting in Dhikala, and one more evening was about to come to an end. The jungle started getting dark, and once again, the waiting game was on. This spot is the same spot where we saw the yellow-throated marten this morning. This place is very close to the campus, and when the safari is about to come to an end, all the jeeps prefer waiting here to try their luck. And needless to say, yes, people have seen lots of tigers here, crossing this road. One after the other, the canters started leaving for Ramnagar too. Some jeeps were waiting here, while the others were waiting near the Sambar road, which is on the left side of this road. And as the canters left, we heard a loud tiger roar from the left. All the jeeps rushed towards the Sambar road and aligned themselves such that the tiger can cross from the center and jeeps at both ends can capture it on their cameras. Here's what's happening now. From where we are standing, the roar came from the left, and for the jeeps you see on the screen, the roar came from the right. It is said that if you see a tiger once in the jungle, the tiger has already seen you 10 times. He rules the jungle and is aware of every activity happening in his home. Was he watching us all from the left? Let's find out. They looked at us and we looked at them. Oh, we smart humans. The only species to be gifted with the ability to reason. But are we actually that smart? Maybe not. While we all waited for the tigress to cross, she chose the road less traveled. She crossed the road, but from behind these jeeps. There is a very small moment in this video where you can see her. Let us know in comments that at what time you could see her. The queen went into the bushes and the so-called humans, smart humans, rushed back to their campus. Another evening safari ended with a bang. Now the coming episodes of this series are going to be super thrilling because there is yet to come the hunt and the next generation of tigers. So stay tuned with us, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to Discover Wild Paws. Oh yes, how can we forget? On our way back, we encountered a male tusker blocking our road. Good thing we had space to move back. Encounter with a tusker on a mountain road is dangerous because it's hard to reverse the jeep. So we hope you enjoyed these 5 episodes of Dhikala Wildlife series. Please watch all the other ones now if not done so already. We will be back soon with more episodes and wildlife content. Till then, keep discovering Wild Paws.